I desperately need in my car.
I saw this and I was like, I absolutely need this because I have a toddler. Did that tell you everything you need to know? Bought a new car recently. I was like, she's not allowed to eat in this car. Am I crazy? Of course she's gonna eat in the car. And there's already crumbs and craziness all over that car. So, Limitless, a brand that is family owned, that specializes in portable power. Well, they know what we need, and they came up with this genius item, which is a 2-in-1 cordless auto vacuum blower and pump in one. You get all of the attachments. We'll walk you through that in a moment. Comes in this great case to keep you organized.
That's huge. And I don't know what my excuse is, but my car is as messy as yours, if not messier, and I have no toddler. Just me and some fries that are stuck between my seats.
Well, this is great because you can use it in not just your car, but your home office, maybe your kitchen, those hard to reach spots. Now you're saving $37 today. It's $59.99. Again, clearance, no reorders here. $20 gets it home on Easy Pay, V83975. Miss Kylie Watts, she is our home innovations expert, and she is here to solve the problem of crumbs. Hello, how are you?
Hi, guys. Yeah, I don't have the toddler at home either, but I do have 3 dogs and a better half in construction. So,
wow.
You know
what's up.
Messes inside and outside, and we call this an auto vac, but to your point, Melissa, we can use this all over our house because what's great about it is, 1, it's powerful, 2, it's a 2-in-1, so you've got a blower feature on the back, and 3, it's ultra lightweight and you're not tethered to a cord. So whether you have to take it to the car, take it to the kids' room, go to the pet beds, you can do all of that with this. And because it's from Limitless, as you said, really the first family of portable power here at QVC, it's incredibly powerful. So immediately I'm just going to put it on its medium setting, and you can see the popcorn seeds that maybe the little kiddos spill, or maybe it's the jimmies that fall off that donut that we're eating early in the morning or doing the holiday baking, or maybe it's the cereal that they're snacking on. When you have this, you can literally charge it up in your vehicle and you always have it ready to roll. It's going to run for about 25 minutes on 1 charge, ultra lightweight, and it does a fabulous job of cleaning.
That's fabulous. Well, sorry, you said the word fabulous. I'm like, it is fabulous.
You can never say too many fabulous times.
I agree. I love quickly, can we just talk about the attachments and then we'll go back to the demo?
Absolutely. So basically what we did was we kind of grouped them in 2 little sections. You're going to get attachments that are going to be for your vac, so your crevice tool, your dusting brushes, and then attachments that you're going to utilize with the blower, which is really awesome, and I'll show you that next time we come around, because you're going to be able to do things like blow off dirt, blow out the dust inside of the vents that you have. Even if you've got that light dusting of snow, you can use this to blow off your windshield instead of having to scrape. And then of course we're going to get the great a bin to hold it all, or what do we call that bin? It's not a bin.
A bag? A case?
Case.
A case?
Case.
There we go.
I was like, brain work right now. What
Totally
is that called?
fine. It's like 10 p.m.
Yes.
We're good. We're solid.
Yes.
So yeah, I love that, again, they're so thoughtful in just the way they construct these items and help us stay organized. So we're going to come over here. What did we spill?
Well, so I'm actually going to use the blower feature on this too, because what they did, if you actually look at the back side of this, was they harnessed the back of the exhaust, which is kind of like the jet turbine that you would see on a plane, right, to give you that power. So some of these attachments, as we said, are going to be for your blower feature. So they just twist on, and I'm going to turn this on, and don't blink down here because it's going to happen really quickly, because the blower feature is awesome. So that means I'm going to pump it up. Watch all that go. So that's all of the dirt, the dust, the debris. So if you needed to blow some things out, you could easily do that. But when we take that off, you can see all that air.
Now you have a Beyonce hair moment.
But that's where that blower works. But then, of course, to your point, the attachments. Here's our crevice tool. We can go down inside things that are really tough to get into. So the cup holders, the little cubbies that you have, it's going to fit in there perfectly. You can get all that mess that we spill out. And you're not searching for quarters, and even if you have a great vac inside, this could be the one that lives in the car, or you can take it indoors and out. It's really awesome.
Okay, Mom, if you're watching, I want this for my birthday.
Yeah.
My birthday's on the
soon?
26th.
Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you. I'm like,
That's
and that's what
amazing.
happens when you turn 38. You're like, I really want this for my birthday.
Hey, practical presents are the best presents.
I'm all about it because this is smart. I mean, the way you're using it in so many different ways, and it's powerful. I mean, this is small, but very, very mighty, that power.
Yeah, and it feels great in your hand. It's a really unique design. So as they look at it in your hand, it almost kind of looks like a blow dryer, like a hair dryer, or like a cordless drill. So it's really ergonomic, feels good in your hand, ultra lightweight, and that filter inside inside is washable too, which is great. So there's no cost of ownership. And then to empty it out too, you would just pop the filter out. And once you do that, you just take that right to the garbage can. I would tap it out. If it gets really dirty or dusty, you can rinse that out quick and easy and then pop it right back in and you're ready to clean.
This is so good too if you're a crafter and like, you know, you want to gather the beads that you've dropped. You can easily just put it in here and then pour it into a bowl. Like there's a million ways you can use this.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can see right there, of course, we call it an auto vac because we know this is where it really shines. You can charge it up in your vehicle, which is great. All of the attachments are going to allow you to get kind of in the crevices where things spill, all the messes that you have in the dusting areas, but it really is that great 2-in-1, which is something I had never seen. And you know, I've presented cleaning products here for almost 2 decades. I think this feature is so cool because look at it with the leaves right there, and it will inflate things. So in the summertime, if you need to blow up those inflatables, the basketballs, any of that kind of stuff, and then you've got the great case for you to store it on. It's awesome in the house as well.
It's so great. It's compact. And again, it's your auto vacuum blower and pump. Cordless, which is spectacular. And you said it has how long on a charge?
So it'll run because you have 3 different modes. So if you have it on the lowest mode, it's going to run a little bit longer, but anywhere at about 25 to 35 minutes on one charge.
That's impressive.
Which is awesome. And because it charges up via USB, again, you can charge this in your vehicle, which I love. But to turn it on, Melissa, you literally hold it for 2 seconds. It'll turn on to the low setting, then it goes to medium, then it goes to high. You can kind of hear it really wind up.
Whoa.
I know. Do you want to give it a try too? Since this is probably your everyday life.
This is my life.
Right?
If you want to know what my life looks like, take a look at this seat.
The car seat, right? The car seat with the little fishies. But even the bigger pieces you can easily do. I love how wide that nozzle is because a lot of the times with our cordless rechargeable handhelds, they have a small little intake. This is really wide so you can get the bigger pieces right there. And then even if you had to get into the little small areas, you have the tools provided for you. So this is a little dusting brush that you can pop on to do the kind of detail work, or if you had something kind of stuck in that carpet or the little chairs, you can easily rub that out with this too.
Also my life. And then I see we have a keyboard here.
Yeah, well that was for, and you saw it in the video too, but if you had to kind of dust off those areas, this is for those little delicate areas. This could be the TVs, the keyboards, the touch screens, the vents that you have inside of there, anything that you need to clean. And then in the last 30 seconds, we can easily do this floor mat too.
Let's do it.
Do
you want to do it together?
Yeah, let's do it together.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna go to medium.
Okay.
If you're hired, look how much better you are than me.
I think because I'm so used to vacuuming everything all day.
It wants to literally pick up the floor mats. That's what's really great about that too. So there's all the little rice, the small particulates, so everything you need in this great little silhouette.
Even at work, I can't get away from cleaning.
I know.
It's just my life. This is such a smart buy. $20 gets this home with any major credit card or debit card on Easy Pay. $59.99 is your price. There's no choice of. You're just getting everything that you need, the auto vacuum, the blower, and the pump. It's a cordless piece from Limitless, a brand that we truly trust here at the Q. $59.99. It is not coming back once it sells out, so please pick it up. And Mom, yes, I meant it. Get me one.
Oh, and happy early birthday.
Thank you, friends.
Good to see you. Bye, John.
You